a background. Here the background is white. I want to replace it by some black shade code. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to Google and search for black shade color code. And then I'll come back here. There is 100 plus shades of black. I'll click on this. And I would like to go for this ink black 212122. Right. So to change the background color, okay, go to view. In view, there is a drop down here. Click on this drop down and come back here. Click on this customize current theme. And then click on page here. And there's a color. Click on this drop down. And here you can paste that or type that color code. So that is 212122 and apply and again apply.